How to change name in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change the name of yourself on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen, which are the chats. Now tap on to settings at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it, then here you can find my profile, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find edit option at the top. Now tap on it. Then here you can find your name, just right here. Select it. Now simply remove this name and add a new name, just like this. And now you can see the name has been added. Now tap on to done. And now you can see the name has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change name in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.